sun, one moon, and the whole world asking. In the United States, how are you? In Canada, how's it going? Down in Mexico, ¿cómo estás? And in Brazil, tudo bem. In Argentina, ¿qué tal? From the cold snow to the warm sand, we all just want to know, are you safe? Are you well? Across the oceans, across the lines, in every language, in every time, how are you? In the United Kingdom, how do you do? In France, comment ça va? In Spain, ¿cómo andas? And in Germany, wie geht's? In Italy, come stai? In Greece, Tikanis. In Russia, cocktaila. In Egypt, Ezayak. In Kenya, habari yako? In South Africa, hogandit. In Nigeria, bawoni. In Saudi Arabia, kaifa haluk. In Turkey, nasılsın? Underneath the same ancient sky, across the oceans, across the lines, in every language, in every time, how are you? In China, ni hao ma. In Japan, o genki desu ka? In India, ap kai say hi. In South Korea, chal jine seyo. In Vietnam, Ban Hoi Hong. In the Philippines, kamusta ka? In Australia, how you going? In New Zealand, kay te koi. In Fiji, bula vakavatiko. So many voices, but the heart says the same thing. How are you?